Hi, I'm Greg Holland, Senior Applications Engineer here at Cadent Johnson.
Today, I want to talk to you about the effect of dryer surface buildup and its impact on heat transfer. Heat transfer in dryer rolls is affected by the layer of condensate inside the dryer, the thickness of the dryer shell, and any buildup on the outside of the dryer. Any foreign debris or production-related buildup on the dryer can surface prevents heat transfer and impacts quality. First, the buildup restricts and lowers the temperature reaching the paper, which then requires higher steam pressures and temperatures to control sheet moisture. Second, it affects the quality of the sheet because buildup is typically non-uniform on the dryer surface, especially in the cross machine direction, causing moisture variation and streaks. To remove buildup, including scale, stickies, and other debris, we recommend a dual grinder cleaning system provided by our Cadent Johnson Services team. That's your Cadent Johnson Pro Tip.